Hello, today we are going to flush this water heater, electric water heater. I have this which is from the Reliance company, and this is the manual, basically how to install and all. So what we have to do first, we have to switch off the electric off, and then so I will go and switch off first from the main cutout and then switch off this electric one. So here, this is my electric board. I have to find out where is my water heater. So here it is written water heater. So these two cutout I have to switch off. So now the electric current will not go to the water heater. So this is the one main switch we have to switch off, and then we will go to switch off from the water heater. So now we will switch off this. So here you can see this is on and off. So basically just you have to remove this cutout also from here, electrodes. So now this will be, there is no current in the water heater. Next thing, we have to cut the water supply off. So this is the cold water which is going inside the water heater. So we have to close this one first. So basically just you have to move it down. And so now there is no electric current and then no water is going on. Third thing we need here, this is the flat head screwdriver, and then I need a water garden hose. So we have to connect this here, and the other end of this water hose will be outside or in the sink where we can collect the outlet water. So this is the other end of the hose. So I'm going to cap this with socks so the water will come out, and then I can see how much sediments are there in the water heater once I will flush it. So, and then I can use this water for, once it will be cooled down, then I can use it in the garden. Okay, so next part is we have to open the hot water from the nearest bucket so that we can release out from the line. I'm just collecting hot water so that I can use this in the, and we need to leave it open, this hot water. Now you can see it's going to be slow because I already disconnect water supply in the heater off. So right now there is some water is coming out, but which is good to release. So once will be switch off here, we will go to the tank and then open the outlet. Now make sure this hose is tightly connected, and then I will slowly open this valve. So here you can see some air is coming, and the next important thing is this: we have to open here. This is called safety valve. So if I will open this, the water is coming from here. So better, it's right now it is filled. So let me show you the outside how the water is coming out. Maybe I can open a little bit more so that we can see very good outlet. So here you can see the water is coming from the heater, and then I'm collecting all this sediment will be collected here, and this water I can use in the garden. Right now it's slightly warm, not much. So this is the way we have to remove all the water. So still you can see the water is coming from the tank, and my tub is filling. So I am going to transfer this water into bucket, 5-gallon bucket. I will keep collecting the water. So still here you can see a lot of water is coming out, and I can use this water in the garden, so I am not going to throw this one. So as the water will come slow, it means the tank is almost empty, and then we will do another step. So now you can see this water is still coming, and hose is hot, and I have collected so much, almost 120-gallon bucket. I have another is ready. So it's time to open the cold water so that we can flush a little bit more. So now you can see water is coming very slow, or it's almost done, and I have collected almost 2 bucket of the full water. I can use this for the gardening or some other purpose, not going to throw. And then I will flush the tank by opening cold water for 2-3 minutes, so that any sediment at the bottom it can come out. Now you can see here there is no sound also. It means almost water is drained out. I'm going to open this little bit, and then I will see how the it's a little tight. Here you can see I open the cold water, and this is cold water is coming. It's almost done. Now I will switch off the cold water. So this is cold water is off. It's almost done. At the end we will check the safety valve by opening if any pressure is there, otherwise we'll start wrapping out. So I'm going to open and then see how much sediment came out. So here you can see this all the white stuff. There's a lot of salt was there. In this way we can test how dirty or how many sediments were there. So this reduces the efficiency of the water heater, so that is why it's always recommended to flush every year. I am flushing this after 2 years, that is why it's too much sediment came. So now I'm going to open the safety valve if any pressure is there, so you can see I can listen and then make sure it's tight again. And then I'm going to close this valve from here so that no water will come outside, and then restore this cold water inside. Now everything is fine, just have to open this outlet, make sure nothing is leaking. Here everything is good, this is tight. Now you can see the water which I closed from here in the outlet, it should be open all the time. Now hot water is coming out, so I'm going to close this one. So, or we can open for 2-3 minutes while it's filling, and that's it. So this was the next part. Is the last part is we need to connect a electrical connector again, so that it can get the electric current, and then from outside also. Now we need to open this, and then these two water heater. Now electric current is also. So this is the way we need to flush the water heater once in a year to remove any sediment and to improve the life of the water heater. I hope you like this video, and if you have any question or suggestion, please comment on this one. Thank you very much.